Hi guys and welcome to Vlogmas 2022. I'm just back from the pharmacy. It looks like the middle of the night. It's only like 4 o'clock. I've just finished work. I had to pick up my migraine medication. And what am I doing tonight? I don't think I'm doing a whole lot tonight. I have my like Christmas drinks tomorrow, just with my section. And then I have like our whole work, like office, everybody is going to a Christmas party, official party on the 16th. So drinks tomorrow and then party on the 16th. I haven't really kind of explained the structure of Vlogmas, I suppose, this year because it kind of crept up on top of me. I'm going to sit down here just for a second. Okay, so that's probably a bit better. Yeah, it crept up on top of me before I knew where we were in the month. And yeah, here we are. Vlogmas is starting tomorrow. I did put up my Christmas tree and I'll put a little clip and video of that and I'll show you what it looks like up. Myself, my dad and Paddy put it up while Mum was trying to like restrain Noah because he was like hell-bent on pulling everything off it. So I'll show you that now.
Look at that.
Size of this Christmas tree, Noah.
You can play in this box now, huh?
No, are you packaging it up before we even open it? No. Why is this in here? Did you put that in there? There's a ball and one of the and a spoon. There you go. And the ball. Here you go.
Police in Northern Ireland
There you go.
condemned armed hijackers.
There's your Christmas tree. Lovely. This do not. No, they're not gonna attack
Careful,
you.
they're gonna hurt.
Oh, you take look at him. He's on his.
They're gonna hurt.
Careful, the bristles. Get them off your feet. Well, there's a little gap here, so I think we'll have to. That can go into the attic.
That, yeah.
There's like 2 big giant holes here, so I have to fill them out.
You need a star or something for the top one.
Yeah.
The silver stars in Tesco's.
Okay, I'm going to test. Noah's going to bed now anyway. What time is it?
It's only 7:30.
Bedtime.
7:15.
Yeah, bedtime. 15 minutes.
Needs to be pushed over that way.
Come on, see will it fit in the bay window.
It's not marking it by any chance.
No.
No? Alright, no, keep going.
No,
You can beat it in.
you don't want to beat it in.
Can.
You want to move down the chairs.
Yeah,
You can move this and then move it back.
it is swaying to one side as well. We can push the couch down a little bit. Like this couch is never going to be, like this is probably the only Christmas this couch is going to be in here.
Yeah.
I think it looks great. It is swaying a little bit to the left.
You have to get lights and get
Yeah, I got them in
the
got them in Woody's, I think. Yeah, just thanks, Mum.
Look, hang them up.
Now you want to hang them up?
Oh,
Go on, put them on the tree.
Here, put him on.
No, I'll put them on the tree.
Here's football.
There's football on the TV. Yeah, I know there's football on. The World Cup's on. Yes, we know.
Yeah.
Good boy. Now. Yeah, and the Christmas tree is all done now. So you can kind of see it there. Noah's chair's in here. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It is kind of slanting slightly. And we need to kind of like rotate it and move it. I'm gonna get the train in the morning and I get the train to Connolly and I think we're going to the Harbour Master tomorrow night for the drinks. Just, it's the easiest because it's across the road from where I'm having my meeting. We're having like a section meeting tomorrow and then we're going straight for drinks, so it's just easier plan. I don't know when this is gonna go up. I'm hoping like the weekend. I'm hoping that I can do like bits and pieces and like show you some Christmassy things. We are going to see the Coca-Cola truck and the RDS on the 7th, so I'll bring you along for that. I'm so sorry that Vlogmas is not gonna be a daily thing this year. It's just impossible for me to work full time, edit and upload vlogs whilst doing all the other things in life. This is probably the first year since I've started doing Vlogmas that I'm not doing it properly. massive apologies because I love Vlogmas myself, but I will do content, like, I don't know, it could be bi-weekly vlogs, it could be like every 3 days, it could be once a week, I don't know. I will try my best to kind of upload some sort of content and some sort of Christmassy things as well. I still have so many renovation vlogs to put up, it's driving me mental. I just wish that I had more time on my hands. I really do. I don't know what I did with all my free time before, because now I look at my watch and it's like 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm like, dinner time. Like, it's just crazy. The day goes by super fast. I hope you enjoy whatever little bits of content that I do put up for this Vlogmas, and I will dedicate some time to it every evening because I do finish work at 4, but it's just, you know yourself, you finish work, you try and like do bits of housework as well, and then you're putting dinner on, and then it's bedtime, and then you sit down with, well, me and Patty just sit down together and we watch like an episode of something, and then you're gone to bed, and then it's the whole thing all over again. So yeah, anyway guys, I will talk to you shortly. Hi guys, we are on the road to Santa's Express this morning. This is like our first Christmassy thing that we've done together as a little family, and we have a few more things planned throughout the month, so I'm very excited. Yeah, we're like 8 minutes away, so I'm hoping that I can show you guys a bit of the Santa Express. Oh, I'm so excited to see what Noah thinks of it, like, and the lights and everything. It's very exciting. And last year, like, he didn't really understand Christmas, so like this year he kind of understands a little bit more. Well, he doesn't understand the whole Santa thing, but he understands like the lights and the Christmas trees and stuff like that, so I'm really excited to see what he thinks. I look like I haven't slept in about a month. I lost my glasses out the other night when I was out with work, and I feel blind for the last few days. No, I am blind for the last few days. Like, I nearly fell down the stairs yesterday because Paddy left something on the stairs, and I can't watch anything on TV or anything like that, but I have other glasses that I'll get, and I'm just going to order new ones online as well because I can't be dealing with it. But I have another, well, I got my eyes tested in Ray-Ban like just not that long ago, and I bought like new Ray-Bans and stuff, so I'm going to get new glasses because yeah, I can't be going around like a blind person. Anyway, I'm going to try and show you some of the Santa Express. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm on my phone because I stupidly left my camera behind.
Cheers, thank you.
Ooh, we got some Cal gluten-free crisps. These are tangy cheese and red onion. Yeah, and then we got Santa's House Express. We get 5 free rides on the fun fair. I know, Noah, we're here. I'm gonna eat some of these crisps.
Oh, what this is. Let me see.
What flavour are these? Cheese and red onion.
What flavour are they, Noah?
They're very flavourless. They're not bad, but they're not like bursting with flavour. Do you like them, Noah? You like them? Nummy crisps. Nummy.
Is he telling me not to at the park, is it?
Yeah, look, Noah. Oh, look at the
Look at all the
snowman
lights.
and the lights. Wow. What's going on, Noah? Santa? Oh, look. Wow, look.
Oh. Santa songs.
Santa songs. Oh, look, they're saying hello. You ready? Nearly ready to get your license? We're just parked up here waiting for Paddy's cousins and the kiddies to come. There's a fairground here and I didn't realise it.
Oh, there is, yeah.
Like, oh my god, it looks so fun. No, I don't think you'd be going on that. That's a bit high. I've never been here obviously before because like I just explained, like, no, I was too young last year and like what were we coming here without kids for? But I'm very excited to see it, and I think Noah's going to really enjoy it. He loves lights. Currently he's trying to drive the car. Obviously the car's turned off. We would never allow that if the car was on. Yeah, do you like it already? Are you excited for the lights? Definitely think that this is probably something that you should come to like at night, but we could only get this time. We booked it back in October, like before Halloween, like ages ago. Yes. We are finished at the Santa Express and now we're back at Castleknock, so we're going to go into the Castleknock Hotel for some lunch. So we're just waiting for Emma and Adam and the kiddies to arrive, and Carol, and then we're going to go in and get something to eat. Paddy's cousin booked us in because he works here. Noah's fast asleep in the backseat of the car, so we're gonna wait until he properly like wakes up. Our booking's not till like 2 o'clock. It's 1:15 now. So the Santa thing was so nice. It was lovely, and Noah was kind of afraid of him a little bit. Yeah, he was like a teeny bit afraid of him, but then I brought him over and I like kneeled down beside Santa and like he came over to me, so he was grand then, and we got a little pic. And then what else did we get? Oh, he got a token off Santa to get a little present, and we got a cool like little thing that you put water in it and you push it. It's like a sensory thing. So we will give him that when we get home. But I'm starving now. I actually can't wait to eat something. So I think we're gonna get food here, like I said, and then head back maybe and watch a movie. And I'm absolutely knackered and I don't know why. I think it was just because I was out on Thursday night and I'm still like recovering 4 days later. I'm just not able to drink at all anymore. So we're home. I should have ended the vlog earlier today, but I just forgot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you all